In this video, we will demonstrate how to properly stretch paint protection film when installing a pre-cut kit on a bumper. Make sure to review and follow the basic videos related to vehicle prep, solution mixtures, and trimming techniques. Remove pre-cut kit from liner. Spray front and back of the entire film kit with slip solution. Adjust liner so it lays flat. Make sure that the kit has been sprayed with plenty of slip solution and no longer sticks to the liner. Lift the pre-cut kit off of the liner and lay it, adhesive side down, on the application area of the vehicle. Move the film around until you get it into the correct position. Position film to key alignment points. The first point is under the headlight. The second alignment point is under the tow hook. Spray the tack solution under the film, which is the adhesive side. Spray slip solution on the top side of the film. Anchor the film into place with a squeegee at these two alignment points. Respray the entire area with a slip solution so the film can be moved into place on the vehicle. On the other side of the vehicle, spray the slip solution under the film and gently stretch into place, making sure to correctly align the pattern. Spray tack solution under the film and slip solution on top of the film. Stretch into alignment and hold with one hand. Squeegee into place with the other hand. Once the kit is anchored on both sides, finish applying the kit. Lift the edge of the kit and re-wet the back of the film with slip solution. Gently stretch into place, aligning the film with the edge of the vehicle. Lift the film again and spray tack solution under the film, remembering to re-wet the film with slip solution to help the squeegee glide smoothly over the top of the film. Gently stretch the film and hold it in place with one hand. Squeegee it into place with the other hand. Move to the middle of the pattern and squeegee the rest of the pattern into place. Inspect installation area to make sure all edges are sealed and that the application area is free of debris, bubbles, or installation errors. Fix as needed. Finally, thoroughly clean before delivery to the customer.